Hello and welcome to Craft Food. So today we're going to make a hot chocolate packet. I love hot chocolate. And if you knows me, know I absolutely freaking love hot chocolate. Like, real. So let's get started. So first we need a 5.5 by 8.5 inch. So and I'm just using some craft paper. So you cut it down to 5.5. And that's what I like about using craft paper. I don't really have to, you can decorate anything. So, alright, and after this is done, you want to take and top, whatever. So, what I am going to do is, I just cut a diagonal piece off. Find my ruler. A ruler. So I just want to cut like a little diagonal piece. So all I do is take and draw a line. From there to there. So just a little bit. Yeah. I just draw a little line. And I just cut on that line. So when I do my designer paper, I just need so this will be 4 1/4. So what we'll do is cut at, we'll do 4 1/8. One 8, 5, 5. And I'm gonna say 5 3/8. I don't want it the exact same height. Let's see. And same process. I want to cut a little diagonal. So you can actually use your little, what you cut off as your little guideline to cut if you want to. Like, measure it up. Try it on. Camera focusing. Okay, just had to get it to focus. I think I was moving too fast. Of course. Get it to focus. There you go. Go ahead and cut that. So you want to glue or tape it on. Totally up to you. However you want to do it. It's fine. I don't want to fight with my glue. No, I want the tutorial to be too long. I'm just going to put some tape on it. Now, before I put that on, I want to put some tape along the bottom part in here. To make the pocket for the hot chocolate. Now that is a smudge too long, so I am going to snip a piece of that off. And I'm gonna put some tape on the very edge because I was going to do something different, but I'm not. So you want to glue the bottom, and you want tape, and you want tape here, so you can close it up as well. And I saw a couple videos of everybody do this different. So it just depends on how you want to do it, how you like it, you know, things like that. So now I have a pocket. I have like a little hot chocolate pocket. Right Sheesh. My hot chocolate looks like it's been through some things. See, now it goes in there perfectly. Like my hot chocolate was stressed out. This one, it's been through a lot. I didn't know it's gonna get drank. Alright, so go ahead and take your tape off. Oh, Cameron wants to act crazy today. Trying to get this thing to focus for a few times already today. I don't like that. But that's okay. So hopefully my birthday is coming up soon and I can get me a nice little fancy camera. To do my tutorials and things. Alright, so go ahead and put this on here. Boom. Nicely fits. And I did this. It was, let me measure it again, but I believe it was 5 3/8 by 4 1/4. No, I didn't do the 4 1/4. Hold up. Did a little smaller than 4 1/4. No, I actually did about 4 1/4. 1 2 but I did it. And then slide your hot chocolate in there. And put whatever decorations you want on the front on here. And these gifts like this is good for year round. Like this. You can give this, you can add Happy Valentine's Day or whatever to it and give it away as a Valentine's gift. Totally up to you. But anyways, thanks for watching.